Imagine a room buzzing with excitement, ideas bouncing off every wall, and teams of students diving headfirst into a challenge that pushed their creativity, analytical thinking, and teamwork to the next level. This was the scene of Bharati Vidyapeeth Institute of Computer Application and Management in New Delhi during an inspiring activity on database management system, extended identity relationship diagram that brought a case study to life. Students are divided into 7 different teams. Students enthusiastically rolled up their sleeves and embarked on a journey to design, enhance identity relationship diagram, and develop supporting tables. Dr. Sania provided essential guidelines and throughout the activity, ensuring that students had all the necessary stationery and materials to carry out their work efficiently. The activity was closely supervised by the faculty in charge and subject expert. Dr. Rakhi ensured that each team stayed focused and on track.
Here it means you feel that without those items, this activity shall be completed, right? So the client will think that yes, you will not be, for example, if you have not written scale over here, so we think that this activity shall be completed without your scale. You think amongst yourself, right? आप दोबारा आके नहीं बोलेंगे फिर से क्वेश्चन पढ़ के that this should be required, please give me this. No, right? Once your leader is through this to your team, the requirement table will be closed for you. Okay?
The pinnacle of the session arrived when each team confidently presented their final product and peers and teachers who stepped into the role of clients. Throughout the activity, students expressed shared joy in collaborative work. They reflected on how this immersive experience enhanced their problem-solving skills, strengthened teamwork, and polished their presentation abilities. This all proving that learning is far more powerful when it's hands-on training or interactive session. The event concluded on a thought-provoking note with an insightful address by Professor Amin Huda.
Established university, known and come in top 10, top 20 universities of the world. They are not teaching in the classrooms. Classroom में हमारे जैसे PPT लेके PPT सब बनाते हैं, वीडियो भी सब बनाते हैं, sufficient study material देते हैं बच्चों को, ठीक है, बच्चों की डिटेल भी लेके अपने पोर्टल पे डाल देते हैं. अगर बच्चों का कोई बढ़िया वीडियो कोई PPT पसंद आती है किसी असाइनमेंट का प्रेजेंटेशन तो वो भी डालते हैं. लेकिन प्रोफेसर्स वो पीपीटी लेके क्लास में जाके ऐसे बोल के या ऐसे देख के पीपीटी नहीं मारते.
This academic initiative proved once again that when students are empowered to explore, experiment, and present their ideas in a supportive environment, incredible outcome followed.
Contains many different animals of varying sizes and shapes. Like we have birds with the biggest wingspans or the smallest ones.
Students from each team has come forward to share their experience on this activity. When students presented their final solution, it was evident how much they had grown. From initial sketches to polished presentation, the transformation was remarkable. student from each team has come forward to share their experience of this activity. When students presented their final solution, it was evident how much they had grown, from initial sketches to polished presentation. The transformation was remarkable. Confidence zone in their eye, clarity resonated in their explanation. Creativity sparkled in their every design and choice, and most importantly, they had learned how to collaborate effectively, communicate persuasively, and approach complex problems with strategic thinking. As the event come to the close, one thing was clear: the power of experiential learning goes beyond grades and exam. It prepares students for real-world challenge, instill confidence, and foster a spirit of curiosity and collaboration that will guide them throughout their professional journey.
तो इस एक्टिविटी में सबसे पहले तो लोग साथ में दोस्त जुड़े गए था. So I would like to thank them all for working and supporting us, like to make that diagram possible.
This was more than academic exercise. It was in celebration of learning, creativity, and professional growth, a testament to the incredible talent and dedication, and of course, passion of our students and faculty. Stay tuned for further more stories of innovation and excellence from BVI Camp, New Delhi. Thank you.